good, guys? Nightball Supra back here, and today I have a very special video. Today we'll be changing the badges on my Supra 2.0 on little Nightball over here. So here are the badges. So we got the GR badge for the back. This is actually the Japanese Toyota logo, I believe, and it looks really nice with my car. It's going to sit right there. And at the end of the video, I'm actually thinking of doing a small little giveaway. Yeah, but stay tuned. I'll give some more information about that at the end of the video. First on the agenda, I'm going to have to go to Walmart, get some fishing line. These badges, they actually replace the OEM badges, so I'm gonna need it to remove the emblems. I was gonna use dental floss, but I don't know, they're kind of strong. I don't think it would work. I've had this car for a bit. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm going to get that done. And the GR badge over here also going to be replaced along with this badge. I would personally love to give a huge shout out to Custom Carbon Emblems, because not only did they provide me with these badges, they also provided me with a free little gift for me and some stickers, which I will be giving away at the end of the video. Please go check their store out on Etsy and follow them on Instagram. I'll have them up in the description. Came back from Walmart, and these are the products that I need. So I have the fishing line, masking tape, and glue gun just in case. I think I'm gonna put these on first. These might be the easiest to put on, and then I'll put on the GR badge. The GR badge is the one where we're gonna need masking tape for. Okay guys, so I think this is the perfect camera angle for this, but I'm gonna put on gloves for the fishing line just so I don't cut up all my hands. And we're going to start the process of taking this logo off. Let's see how easy it is. Need stronger fishing line, it looks like. We are getting through. After a couple hard tries, we managed to get the logo off, but now I'm gonna glue gun this area to get all the glue off. So this is actually a lot harder than I expected. So is any other car job, but I'm scrubbing and I'm hoping that the glue will peel off. I should have heated first, but we're almost halfway there, which is really good. I did as much as I could do. It looked a lot better than before. Now I'm going to apply the glue. Here's the other decal. Now I'm gonna apply the glue on the back of one of these, stick it on, let it dry. It's going to snow, so I don't know if I'll be able to finish today. I should have done the GR badge first. I have the logo here, and I'm gonna apply, I believe it's at a very light shade. I have to apply a very thin layer of adhesive, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's see. I won't start from the edges. Yeah. Then after we do this, I have to let it dry for about 5 minutes. I think this should be good. I think this should be good. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. We are going to apply the emblem now. 5 minutes has passed. Here it is. Here we go. Hopefully this works out. Okay, so we got the first one on, and that's how it looks. Looks awesome. It has snowed a little bit, but the glue on the emblem fit perfectly. You can't move it, it's all good. This is how the front looks. It is the next day, and I will be doing the back. It changes the Toyota logo up here and the GR logo down here. I have all the tools I need up here. Luckily, my little table spoiler. Luckily, I got this installed, so I wouldn't really scratch any of the paint here. So let's get to it. remember, if you guys are doing this, use gloves because you don't want the fishing line to cut up your hands. Okay guys, let's get this fishing line on. I need a good spot to start. This one's gonna, looks like it's going to be harder than the one in the front. All right, I got it wrapped around. And so we got it off. I scratched it a little bit. That's okay, the logo's going over it. No one's going to see it. But yeah, I'm going to peel this off. Slowly but surely. I'm gonna apply some Goo Gone and see how long it takes to peel off. Oh. This process sucks because taking off the glue is so hard. But we are getting it done slowly and surely. So I got the tape or the glue all off the OEM one. I scratched it up pretty bad, but you know what? Nobody's gonna see it, so we'll definitely be all good once we put on the glue and stuff like that. $56,000 mistake right here, but it's okay. I'm just drying it up right now. I put in the soap, the water, just making sure it's all dry before I apply. So the difference from the front versus the back is I'm going to be applying 3M tape this time because the glue I do like. It did stick well, but I feel I'm still a little scared it might fall off because the corners did not hold down as well. But you know, you can't notice it. It's not, it doesn't peel off easy. It doesn't move. It's stuck. It's definitely stuck in place. So I have the badge over here and I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna add 3M tape all around and then I'm just gonna apply. So let's see what happens. I think you guys got a good view here of what I'm doing. Going to apply the tape to the back. Yeah, I'll start with the middle. Go here. I want it to be like perfect with no like corners showing. So I think this should be good. I'm just gonna cut it right here. Now I'm gonna measure before I do the other 2 layers. So that's the second one. I'm just gonna make sure that they're sticking on well. Don't like the corners showing. I'm going to cut the corners, obviously. Now we'll put this on the bottom. Yeah, and I believe, if I'm right, this should be enough to stick perfectly on the car. I'm just gonna trim the corners really quickly. I have the emblem right here. I put on the tape perfectly on the back. Now what I have to do is I have to put this on in a way where I have to basically get it right my first time because it's tape and it's not glue. Lightly stick it on so I can see. So I'll say right here. Yeah, that's good. Right, so we got decal number 2 on there, and honestly I wished I used the tape for the front because look at that, right? It really sticks on perfectly. I should have waited and used the tape because even though the glue is going to work, it just doesn't feel as good as it would with the 3M tape on it. So I have this one done, thank God. I'm just gonna press it down a little more to make sure it stays on completely and won't fall off. I have the back emblem on. Now that this is all done and it looks all good, it's all stuck on and it looks like it's sticking to the mold perfectly. The last thing on the agenda is our little GR badge. Before we get started, I just wanted to explain. I was actually supposed to put a vinyl over this GR badge. However, Custom Carbon Emblems was so nice that they actually sent me a free gift and gave me a badge, a carbon fiber one, which looks a lot better than the stock. or than the vinyl. So I'm really appreciative of him. And I think the vinyls that I got, I will be also including in the giveaway. So stay tuned for the end of the video. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take masking tape and I'm going to put it around so I know exactly where the emblem goes, because I don't want to mess that up. So I'm going to go ahead and start on that. Let me just clear you from here. Here's how the masking tape looks, and I'm actually going to also mark exactly where the corners are, so I know where I could put the corners on the GR badge here, and we'll do here. So I marked the corners, and yeah, it's basically the same thing with the logo. I just have to get it off, which is usually the only hard part. Well, it is the hardest part. So I might as well record this because this was actually a lot easier to peel off than the other ones. Just like that, just came off. Wow, awesome. So here is the original GR badge. Now we got to do the process of getting all the glue off, which is also the worst part. It just never works. So I'm almost done. Okay, so we got the fat piece off, but This one is a lot easier to do than the other ones. I should have just done this one first, but you know what? I'm also glad we also got the hard stuff over with. The glue gun works a lot better with this. Just like before, I got the logo off. Now I'm going to be adding this GR badge. Should fit perfectly right over there. Once again, thank you Custom Carbon Emblems for sending me this free gift along with my badges. It really means a lot. He hand makes them himself. He even writes a nice thank you letter. It's really awesome. So same thing as before. We're just going to tape the back with the 3M tape, and we're just going to put it on perfectly. So it is, I guess, a little smaller than the previous GR logo. Let me see. It is a little smaller, but you know what? It's not that big of a difference. It'll still fit, it'll still work, it'll still look good. It is just about ready to put on. All I gotta do is peel the back. I have the tape on here, and yeah, let's put it on. I'll get a better angle so I can get it on perfectly. I'm gonna say that's good, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, that looks pretty stuck on, and it matches perfectly with the logos. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna take the masking tape off. We should be done. So we have finished. We have put everything on. It looks good. Yes, I thought I'd put them on uneven first, but they are sticking well. Very happy with how these came out, especially. Super nice. I love how it matches. Thank you once again, Custom Carbon Emblems, for sending me this. I'm going to... Oh, so satisfying. Wow. 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna clean the sides of it a little bit. And now we got the carbon badge on. We are looking good. We are looking so good. Wow. Look at that. Perfect. So that, and yesterday we did this. I would say the install was pretty easy. So Custom Carbon Emblems, I will link their website in the description below. They make emblems to however you want them customized. You can make this red. I asked for yellow on carbon fiber backing. They also have black regular backing. It looks really nice. I'll link them down below with everything that they have, and they are super affordable, and they are all handmade, so everything you order will be custom. Also, they sent me over this free gift, which I'm really happy about, because I was just gonna put a regular black and yellow emblem, but instead I got a carbon fiber one, and it matches all the badges on the car. Maybe not this one, I might leave that one, but yes, this is the final result of how everything came out. I'm super thankful, super grateful. Super easy install process finally. Like, there was one, I mean, they'll always give you problems. Like, the glue was my only problem on this one, but it looks amazing. Okay, everybody, we have finally reached that time of the giveaway. So here are the instructions. I'll also have them down in the description below on how to win the giveaway. 1, you have to follow my Instagram at 2.0_Supra, and you have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. I will be putting your names in a random generator. The one who wins will get a choice to pick these custom vinyls sent by MBT Vinyls if you guys have a GR Toyota car, or have a choice of all these stickers. You get all of them if you win. Second place will get the leftovers, literally. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and good luck on the giveaway.